Andrew Kibe ni mzee, mimi sitaki kuongea na watu wazee.
Ringtone kapoko. You dare put my name in your mouth?
Mzee mwenye akona tabia mbaya.
Welcome to BTG.
If you're a big fan of
quick news, ready news, breaking news,
Subscribe.
BTG News, BTG
Kwani ni kesho.
gang. Now, good morning and welcome back. Now, somebody tell Ringtone kapoko we're still waiting for Andrew Kibe's love videos, bro. Yeah, because apparently this guy came to Britain to expose Andrew Kibe today at 11 a.m. That is 1 hour from the time I'm shooting this video. Yeah, 1 hour to come. So we will expect love videos from Ringtone kapoko. And by saying love videos, he meant that he would come through and post a sex tape for Andrew Kibe, where he went ahead and said that this guy loves Wababa, and that was after he posted a photo of Andrew Kibe, which I won't feel comfortable sharing here, all because of YouTube. Otherwise, other avenues, I wouldn't mind posting it. You feel me? Anyways, man, this guy Ringtone kapoko came and posted a photo of Andrew Kibe, looking like he has nothing on top, you know, from waist going up. And he went in and said this, and I quote, "Kenyans, please, bought data and Wi-Fi. Andrew Kibe is his love tape tomorrow. Anapenda Wababa. I'm just going to post kesho 11 a.m. EAT and 9 a.m. West African time." That is what he came and said, which, you guys already know how Ringtone kapoko rolls, because lately, you guys already know that Andrew Kibe has been the talk of the town, bro. Like, this guy is trending each and every day, and so the likes of Ringtone kapoko wouldn't mind coming through on board to try and use his name for their own beneficiaries, you know what I mean, to chase clout using Andrew Kibe's name. And so, going through the comments, you know, after he posted that, many were concluding that, yo, Ringtone kapoko, we already know you love chasing clout, and so this one is nowhere far from that fact. You feel me? So I don't know, what do you guys think about Ringtone kapoko coming through to Britain to expose or to post Andrew Kibe's love tape? Well, do you believe also, as many as others are believing, you know, concerning this guy Ringtone kapoko chasing clout using Andrew Kibe's name? Because yo, Andrew Kibe's name right now, well, it's a hot cake in entertainment industry. Anyways, man, go ahead and tell us your thoughts down in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, bliska.ke, and I'll see you in the next one.